अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Prophet means a messenger of God. Allah had sent many prophets to guide mankind. They were light and darkness. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the prophet of Islam. Islam means peace. He was the last and final prophet of God. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the greatest and the noblest man the world has ever seen. He was born in the Hashmi family of Quraysh on 15 April 571 to 18 of Rabiul Awwal. He was a posthumous child. The name of Abdullah, the name of his father was Abdullah, and the name of his loving mother was Amna. He was brought up by his grandpa Abu Muttalib and Abu Talib, his uncle. At the age of 25 years, a rich widow, Hazrat Khadija रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हा।
इसी तरह की और वीडियोज़ पाने के लिए एजाज हाशमी नदवी को सब्सक्राइब करें।